Hey guys, I'm back with a new video, and since a lot of people have been doing fidget spinner videos, and I got one right here. I'm sorry that I didn't do a video unboxing, but I bought another one. It's coming on May 9. I'm gonna be unboxing it actually, and this one right here, I'm gonna be spray painting it. This yellow and black, I actually like the color. I'm gonna be putting white and splatter red, the color red on it. It could look good, and I'll do a video on that. I'll do an unboxing video and do a spray painting video. And now I bought another one, so I'm gonna be doing a lot of fidget spinner videos, stuff like that. And I already timed this. This goes a minute and 24 seconds. And I'll probably time it again. I don't know. Because I don't really... Wait, let's take the caps off for a second. Wait. Okay, I took off the caps. Focus. Took off the caps. See the little balls. You can see how rusty it is. That's why it doesn't spin that good. And yes, it does spin right here. Spins here. And it spins right here. This one, it makes a squeaky noise. If you can't hear. Sorry if you can't hear that right now. Let me put the caps back on. Sorry. Put the caps back on. I'm gonna put okay. Put one. And I put the second one. Wait, let me put the second one good. Okay. There. And so I already know how to do tricks. I'll do a trick right here. Wait. Right there. For you guys. Wait, let me do it faster. Sorry. Right there. With no other finger around. Just one finger. I can also do a toss. Wait, I can also do a tossing. Like toss it. Like go like that. It's actually pretty hard. I need to let's flip this back. Okay, and so yeah, this is the end of the video. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment down below, and when we hit like about 10,000 subscribers, we will be doing some fidget spinner giveaways for you guys. You just gotta subscribe, click, smash that bell, and smash that like right there, the bottom of the video, down there, and yeah, just comment down below. I subscribe, I'll pick you, and yeah, sure. Well, that's the end of the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.